Hi everyone, this is Sal. Welcome to Tip Talk. Today we are going to talk about selection sort. Earlier we saw that bubble sort, right? So right now we are going to talk about selection sort, which is a little bit better than bubble sort. Let's see how it is better. Yeah, let's go to godebook.com. Okay, so here it is bubble sort, which we saw earlier. So right now I'm going to talk about selection sort. Okay. Okay, here we have eight elements. Yeah, which is also working good. Okay. Yeah, I think you guys know about the so-called things and all. If you see that bubble chart video, otherwise go and visit the bubble chart. And also, it is better to understand how bubble chart works, and we can compare bubble chart and selection chart, right? So yeah, that will be better. Yeah, yeah. Let's go to selection chart. Okay, this is a initial array, right? So this array is also not started. So we're going to sort it ascending order. Okay. So earlier in bubble sort, we whenever the inner loop completes, so the last element will be the bigger one, right? Here it is little reverse. So whenever that inner loop completes, the first element will be the smallest one. So we will identify which is the smallest. We'll put that smallest in the initial places. Okay. Let's see how it works. Okay. Okay. So we are going to start that initialization. So first initialize the equal to 0 to I is 0 and min is equal to I basically. Okay, and j is initialized with the I plus 1. So basically ith next position will be a j. Okay, so if you see right now we initialize min as 77 and next iteration min supposed to be 21. So basically we compare the min position and jth position. If jth position is lesser, then we'll assign min is equal to this position. Let's see. See, so min is moved here. Okay, I will be here only. Okay, so all we need to identify in this whole traverse, which is the smallest element in the whole array. Okay, now it is comparing 47 and 21. 47 is not minimum, so we don't need to do anything. Let's move. Okay, if you see 0 is smaller than 21, then next we need to assign min equal to j. So this min is supposed to come here. Okay, so next click, the min will come here. Let's see. See, min is coming here. So because the whole thing 0 is the minimum, so we put min 0 is the min value as of now. Okay, and then we try to figure out is there any minimum value. So basically, if any negative values also it needs to be sorted, right? So right now in this array we don't have any negative values. If any negative values, we need to continue to find out anything lesser than 0. Okay, so here we don't have any active value. Still, it needs to be checked anything lesser than min. So it is nothing. So once the j reach the last element, then what we have to do, we need to swap this position of 0 and I. So first swap the position of min and I. Okay. So what will happen? This 0 will move here and 77 will move here. Yeah, if I click, you can see that 0 will be figured out and moved here, 77 came here. Okay, so we swap. So here if you see the meaning the lowest value is moved here, right? Okay, next iteration this I will be pointed here and min also will pointed here because I already mentioned I min is equal to I, the initial before the loop starts, and j will be this position because I is next position. Okay, yeah, once I click, so I will be here and min will be here and j will be here. Let's see, I told, right? So min and I will be here and j will be here. So yeah, again the iteration continue. So this 21 is the minimal compared to the 47, so we don't need to do anything. The same 21 is the minimum, still 21 is minimum, 21 is minimal. Yeah, we don't need to do anything. So it is done. Now this min and I will be here and j will be here. See, min and I will be here and j is here. Okay, so now 47 is the minimum because 77 is greater. So we are iterating it. So still it is 47 is lesser. But here, this situation, 27 is lesser than 47. Then we need to assign min in this position and we need to increment the j. Okay. Next, yeah, min will come here. Okay. Let's see. See, min will come here and it is checking. Again, it is same. Okay. Now, what will this needs to be swapped. Okay. So it's swapped 27. So if you see this, that initial elements are sorted. Okay, here we need to only need to check the remaining elements. That's why this I will move here, I and min will be here, and j will be here. See, so we don't need to worry about these elements because these are already sorted. All we need to worry about the rest of the elements. Okay, we are doing the same thing. So we can continue, and once it's done, it's a sorted array. Okay, yeah, let's see how it is done in the program. Okay, let me go to first and let's so code. Yeah, I already mentioned that input arrays length is mentioned, which is 8. Okay, and first loop, here also we have to use two loops, for loops, which is similar to bubble sort. Okay, that's why here time complexity is also n square, but it is, if you see the actual iterations, it is lesser than bubble sort. Okay, so yeah, it also depends, like even the time complexity, if you see, if it is something near to that n square, which is also n square. Okay, it need not to be exactly n square. Okay, so this time complexity is also near to the n square. That's why we say it is also n square. Okay, so the iteration is also near to n square. Okay, yeah, because we are using two loops and all. Okay, even we say like I plus one, even that way also it is like that. Even some people put 0 here. That way also it can be similar to bubble sort, but we little optimize. We don't need to check the that first started elements and all. Okay, that's why. Fine. Let's go here. Yeah, here I mentioned earlier. I started with this first question. C, so I equal to 0. So I is in the first question, and that I is min is equal to I. See, min is also assigned with the I, which is also 0, and j is I plus 1. So I is 0, I plus 1 means this first position. So that's why the second loop starts. Second loop is from here. Okay, from second loop is this one. Okay, uh, basically inner loop. Okay, now so the if condition is nothing but we need to compare. So 21 and 77 we need to compare. The 21 is lesser, then we need to assign min equal to j. See, this is this array of j is lesser than min. Okay, so min value is 77 here. That's why we say array of min. Okay, then we need to assign min equal to j. Then min will come here. Okay, if I click next, min will come here, and yeah, inner loop I j plus plus y. That's why it is incremented. Okay, then once we need to do, yeah, here, yeah, so this section we are again moving, we figure out this is the lesser value, then we are changing the min position to here. Okay, yeah, we are doing that. So here it is the minimal, 0 value is the minimum. Okay, so once the inner loop completes, okay, once the inner loop, that the second loop, which is j, based on j, right, which is completed, then all we need to swap this min value and ith value. So that's why once that j, the for loop of j is complete, after that need to swap the array of j with the array of min. So sorry, array of I. So array of I is 77 and array of min is 0. Now this is supposed to go here and 77 is supposed to go here. See, 77 came, 0 is gone here. Okay, so this way we can sort it. Okay, now I mentioned that outer loop starts it. So let me go previously. Okay, once it moved, now this I supposed to I should be outer loop done, right? Then I should be incremented, right? Now ith position will be come in this place, and min also will be here because min we assign as I. Okay, so min and I will be here, and j will be here because I plus 1. So it is assigned as I plus 1. Okay, now j will be coming here. Let's see, right? The similar, the loop continues wherever that condition satisfies. We will assign that min equal to j. Yeah, and this iteration you don't. Yeah, because 21 is the minimum one. We don't need to start. It's happening to themselves kind of thing. Okay. Now it is continuing again. Okay. Yeah, now we know this 20 second is the minimum. So the min will be assigned here. Okay. Yeah. So this way we can iterate and finally we'll get the sorted array. So this is the sorted array we are getting. Okay. As I mentioned, still we can open this print algorithm, and if you want to see the previous iterations, you guys can see the previous iterations. Yeah. Uh, yeah, this print is taking little longer. Okay. So yeah, earlier I mentioned like that a print is also available. So if you see here, we can see the whole selection chart, how it works. We can see it in a one single shot. Okay, so if you want to print, you can print, and it will be helpful before going for interview or exam. It will be helpful for students or employees. So we can understand how exactly it is working. So if you print the paper like a booklet and all, so we can go through whenever we want. So that's why we have this feature called print. So hope this will help. Okay, hope everyone understand this algorithm. Uh, Please let us know any comments. Okay, based on that, we'll give more features, and we are definitely we are going to add more algorithms, and these are the lead code problems we're going to add. So yeah, please like and subscribe. That will really help us. Thanks a lot.